Happy morning, children. Children, look at the following picture. Look at the picture. What is happening there? Do you understand anything? What are they doing? Can you tell me? Yes, the baby eagle is swinging. Okay. Few birds are playing musical instruments. Okay. Then some are singing. Okay. Some are watching. Some birds are dancing. From this, what did you understand? There is something special. Yes, see, look at the baby eagle. Look at its head. What is that on its head? It is crown. It is crown. Do you know the word crown? In Tamil, Greedam. Okay, crown means Greedam. Okay, children. Did you find what is the special? Yes, it is the baby eagle's birthday. Okay. The eagle got a baby eagle. They are celebrating that day. Okay. A get together is going on there. What do you mean by get together? It is a party. Okay. That means party. If we have any special day, we will call all our relatives, neighbors to join us. Am I right? Have you gone to your friend's birthday party? Did you enjoy well? Yes, children. Like that, they are having get together. Let us see who are all there in the party. A get together. A get together. The eagle. E-A-G-L-E. The eagle has a new baby. The eagle has a new baby. All her friends come to her house to meet the baby eagle. Okay. All the friends came to meet baby eagle. Okay, let us see who are the friends. Ka, ka, ka. Did you find the friend? Yes, crow. Who will sounds like ka, ka, ka? It is crow. Who are you? Asked the baby eagle. The baby eagle asks, who are you? The crow replies, I am a crow. I am a crow. C-R-O-W. Crow. How does the crow sound? Ka, ka, ka. Very good. Next. Keet, keet, keet. Who will sounds like this? Keet, keet, keet. Who are you? Asked the baby eagle. I am a parrot. The parrot replies, I am a parrot. What is the sound of the parrot? Keet, keet, keet. Okay. Next. Coo, coo, coo. Who will sound like a coo, coo, coo? Yes, you're right. Cuckoo. Cuckoo. C-U-C-K-O-O. Cuckoo. Who are you? Asked the baby eagle. The baby eagle asks, Who are you? The cuckoo replies, I am a cuckoo. I am a cuckoo. Next, hoot, hoot, hoot. Who will sound like a hoot, hoot, hoot? Yes, it is owl. Owl will sound like hoot, hoot, hoot. Who are you? Asked the baby eagle. The owl replies, I am an owl. I am an owl. O-W-L. Owl. O-W-L. Owl. Next sound. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Who will sound like this? Yes, it is duck. Duck. Who are you? Asked the baby eagle. Who are you? Asked the baby eagle. I am a duck. The duck replied, I am a duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. Next. Cluck, cluck, cluck. Who will sound like this? Cluck, cluck, cluck. It is hen. Hen. H-E-N. Hen. Who are you? Asked the baby eagle. The hen replied, I am a hen. I am a hen. The baby eagle said, what a nice party. What a nice party. Okay, finally the baby eagle said, what a nice party. It was happy about this get together. The baby eagle was very happy about get together. Children, now let us see uses of in, on, under. Okay? In. In Tamil, ull. O-N, on. O-N, on. In Tamil, male. U-N-D-E-R, under. U-N-D-E-R, under. In Tamil, keel. In, on, under. Children, now let us see how to use these words in sentence. Okay? Children, what is this? Yes, bottle. I keep the bottle here. Okay. Where is the bottle now? The bottle is on the table. The bottle is on the table. Table mele bottle irukku. Okay, so we say the bottle is on the table. Okay, next. Where is the ball? The ball is on the table. The ball is on the table. Okay? Where is the toy? The toy is on the table. The toy is on the table. Where is the book? The book is on the table. The book is on the table. Where is the bag? The bag is on the table. The bag is Where is the box, children? The box is on the table. Okay, now look at the bag. Look at the bag. Where is it? The bag is under the table. The bag is under the table. The box is on the table. The bag is under the table. Where is the bottle now? Where is the bottle? The bottle is under the table. The bottle is under the table. Where is the toy? The toy is under the table. The toy is under the table. Where is the book? Where is the book? The book is under the table. The book is under the table. Okay. Where is the toy now? Where is it? The toy is on the table. The toy is on the table. Where is the bottle now? Where is the bottle? The bottle is under the table. The toy is on the table. The bottle is under the table. Okay, கீழே டேபிளுக்கு கீழே அடியில இருக்கு. Okay, children. Children, I hope you understood on and under. Now let us see in. How to use in. Look at the water bottle, children. Where is the water bottle is? Where is it? Yes, the bottle is in the bag. The bottle is in the bag. Okay, where is the bottle? The bottle is in the bag. Where is the toy? Where is the toy? The toy is in the bag. The toy is in the bag. Okay, do you understand? Yes. Next. Where is the box? The box is in the bag. The box is in the bag. Where is the book? The book is in the bag. The book is in the bag. Very good, children. Children, now let us see some more examples of on, in and under. Okay. The bun is on the pan. Where is the bun? Where is the bun, children? Look at the picture. Where is the bun? The bun is on the pan. The bun is on the pan. Very good. Next. Look at the doll. Where is it? Yes, it is in the box. The doll is in the box. The doll is in the box. Next. Where is the clock, children? Where is the clock? The clock is on the wall. The clock is on the wall. The clock is on the wall. On the wall. Okay. Next. Where is the cat? Look at the cat, children. Where is it? Yes, it is under the table. Okay. The cat is under the table. The cat is under the table. The cat is under the table. Very good. Next, look at the lemon. Where is it? It is in the glass. Okay. The lemon is in the glass. The lemon is in the glass. The lemon is in the glass. Very good. Look at the doll. Where is the doll now? Look and tell me, children. Yes, it is under the bed. Okay. The doll is under the bed. The doll is under the bed. The doll is under the bed. Shall we read it again? The bun is on the pan. The doll is in the box. The clock is on the wall. The cat is under the table. The lemon is in the glass. The doll is under the bed. Next one, I can do. Who am I? Say my name. Children, the flowers ask you to find the name of it. Okay, are you ready to tell the name of each flower? Yes, children. Tell me, what is the first one? What is it? Yes, very good. It is rose. Can you spell out, children? R-O-S-E. Rose. R-O-S-E. Rose. Very good, children. Very good. And the second flower? Yes, it is jasmine. Jasmine. Okay, spell out, children. J-A-S-M-I-N-E. Jasmine. J-A-S-M-I-N-E. Jasmine. Very good, children. Very good. And the third flower? Tell me the name of the flower. Yes, you're right. It is hibiscus. Hibiscus. Can you spell out, children? Yes. H-I-B-I-S-C-U-S. Hibiscus. Hibiscus. Very good, children. Very good. And the last one. What is it? Yes, it is cactus. Cactus. Spell out, children. C-A-C-T-U-S. Cactus. C-A-C-T-U-S. Cactus. Very good, very good. Roman letter 2, match the following. Roman letter 2, match the following. First one, I say ka, ka, ka. Okay, children, you have to find the correct bird and write the number in the circle. Okay, are you ready, children? Yes. First one, I say ka, ka, ka. Did you find the answer? Yes, it is crow. It is crow. Okay, write number 1 there. Okay, second one, I say quack, quack, quack. I say quack, quack, quack. What is this? Did you find? Yes, it is duck. Write number 2 there. Duck. Okay. Third one. I say coo, coo, coo. I say coo, coo, coo. Who will say coo, coo, coo? Yes, it is cuckoo. It is cuckoo. Write number 3 there. Okay, fourth one. I say keet, keet, keet. I say keet, keet, keet. Who will say keet, 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 children? Which bird sounds like that? Yes, very good. It is parrot. It is parrot. Write number 4 there. Parrot. Very good, children. Roman letter 3. Tick the correct one. Tick the correct one. Look at the picture, children, first. And I'm going to read the question. You just tick the correct answer, children. First one. The cat is dash the mat. The cat is dash the mat. In the mat, on the mat, under the mat. Among the three, you have to tick the correct one. Which one is correct? In, on, or under? Yes, you're right, children. On, O-N, on. The cat is on the mat. Tick that. Very good. Second one. The puppy is dash the tub. The puppy is dash the tub. In the tub, on the tub, under the tub. Where is the puppy? Yes, you're right. In the tub. The puppy is in the tub. Very good. Just tick in, I-N, in. The puppy is in the tub. Very good. Third one. The cow is dash the tree. The cow is dash the tree. In the tree, on the tree, under the tree. Where is the cow? Very good. It is under the tree. The answer is under. Tick the under. U-N-D-E-R. Under. The cow is under the tree. Very good, children. Very good. Next, Roman letter 4. Listen to the words and cross the odd one. Listen to the words and cross the odd one. Okay, children. A. Thin, thick, ship, thud. Thin, thick, ship, thud. Which one is the odd one here? Yes, very good. Ship. You just cross the word, children. S-H-I-P. Ship. Cross it. B. Fish, sung, long, ring. Fish, sung, long, ring. Among the four, which one is the odd one? Yes, it is fish. Okay, F-I-S-H. Fish. Cross the word, children. Next, C. Moth, song, with, pith. Moth, song, with, pith. Which one is the odd one? Yes, you're right. Song. S-O-N-G. Song. Cross the word, children. Very good. Very good. Fourth one. D. Phone, photo, face, shut. Phone, photo, face, shut. Which one is the odd one? Yes, it is shut. S-H-U-T. Shut. Just cross the word, children. Very good, very good. Next, let us see. Let us follow. Okay. What should we do? Put a tick next to the correct picture. Okay. What we should do, what we should not do. Okay. Look at the picture and tell me, children. First picture. It is a sunny day. Okay. The bird is drinking water. Okay. The second picture. A boy is throwing stone. A boy is throwing stone at hen. Okay. Compare both the picture. Okay. What we should do? Yes, we should keep water outside for the birds to drink. Okay, that picture you just tick that. Okay, and the right side picture, that is wrong, children. We should not hurt animals. Okay, we should not hurt animals. Very good, that is wrong. Next, two children are watering the plant. Okay, on your right, a boy is plucking the flower. Okay, which one is the good one? Yes, watering the plant. Okay, you tick that picture. Okay, children. On the right, it is wrong, children. We should not pluck any leaves or a flower, anything. We should not pluck it. Okay, we should not hurt the plants. Okay, children. Very good. Next, listen to the teacher and tick yes or no. Okay, listen carefully, children. First one, I water my plants daily. I water my plants daily. If you are doing it, just put tick mark on S box. Okay, if you are not doing it, you put tick mark on no box. Okay, children. Second, I throw stones at birds. I throw stones at birds. If you are doing this, you put tick mark on S box. If you are not doing this, you put tick mark on no box. You should not do this. Okay, you should not throw stones at birds. Okay, children. Next, I clean my garden. I clean my garden. If you are really doing this, put a tick on S box. If you are not doing this, put a tick on no box. Okay? Very good, children. Very good. Children, now let us learn to read the word wall. Okay? Word wall is I yes is. I yes is. I n in. I n in. O n on. O n on. U n d e r under. Under. U n d e r under. N o no. N o no. O n on. N o no. B I g big. B I g big. W I t h with. With. W I t h with. H a v e have. H a v e have. Only. O n l y only. O n l y only. H a d had. H a d had. H a s has. H a s has. I read it again, children. You repeat after me. Okay? Word wall. Word wall is in, on, under, no, big, with, have, only, had, has, is, in, on, under, no, big, with, have, only, had, has. Children, write all these words twice in your notebook. Okay? Children, I hope you enjoyed today's class. Am I right? Yes, children. Have a great day. Thank you.